How to connect Lovable to Supabase. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, so once you actually log into your Lovable, all you need to do now is just click on the plus icon to the bottom left, right underneath the actual chat, and click on settings. This is going to open up the actual settings for your Lovable and also the project settings. Anyways, ignore all of that. Scroll down until you find connectors, and you simply just want to click on that. And right here, you're just going to find all the different integrations that you can have with Lovable. You want to basically select Supabase. If it is disabled, just make sure that you enable it like so. And once you do that, you simply just want to click on Connect Supabase. Now it's just going to obviously allow you to either sign up or sign into your Supabase account. So if you don't have an account already, click on sign up and fill out the form and click on sign up and then just sign in normally. If not, you can just click on sign in and just use your account. Next up, just go in and select an organization that you have with Supabase. Now, if you don't have one, it's going to prompt you to create one anyway. So just go in and make sure you create it from there. And just go ahead and authorize it once you actually obviously select it. So if you have multiple, make sure you select the appropriate one and click on Authorize Lovable. And that's all you need to do. It says at the bottom right, a pop-up that says connection is successful, and it is. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.